One of my favorite tools on 123D Design is the Loft tool. It's very simple, very straightforward, and it can have some really cool effects. To start, I'm just going to make a really big rectangular prism. Make a rectangle, extrude it up, and now I have 6 sides on here that I can draw on. And I'm going to put some random shapes on here. First up, maybe on the front, I'll just put a circle. On the left side, let's put a very simple rectangle. Let's say maybe on the top up here, let's do something a little more extravagant. And we'll move around and do a polyline that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Okay, now I have my two-dimensional object up there. And let's do one last one on the side here. Let's put an ellipse. Okay, 4 objects. The Loft tool is very, very simple. First, let's select it. Let's ask me, what do I want to loft? I'm going to take any 2 shapes. Let's start with this guy and go to our circle. And when I press enter, what's going to happen is it's going to cut a hole connecting those. Let's keep going. Let's loft a weird shape on top to the circle in the front. Let's keep on going. Let's loft our ellipse to our rectangle. And heck, let's loft our weird shape up top to the very bottom of ours. To see this a little bit, I'm going to turn our grid off over here on the right. And what's going to happen is I can actually walk in here and look around. It can get a little confusing. It's almost like as if you're in a cave. But the Loft tool is extremely easy and gives us some really cool options here. Another thing we can do, turning my grid back on, is I'm going to take the object that we made and get rid of it. Now what I'm going to do is take our Loft, I'm going to select our ellipse, our rectangle, and we can do a new solid here. So now we create our own new 3D shape. And we can do this with each one of ours and continue to move these and do other ones from the big rectangle on the bottom to the top over here, whatever we want to do. Loft tool is very quick and easy, just a couple clicks away.